Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the network fees issue in Coinbase Wallet. Now to do so it's very easy. Let's first understand why this happens and then I will show you how to fix it. Now why this happens, it's because sometimes when you trade a cryptocurrency on your wallet, let's say for example Ethereum or Solana or BNB and so forth, you need to cover the gas fees. So when you choose a blockchain that you want to trade on, let's say for example Binance Smart, you need to have some BNB in your wallet to cover the gas fees, even if you are trading another cryptocurrency. So here the problem becomes very clear and the solution is even clearer. So let's get straight into it. So open your Coinbase wallet and then click on swap in the top right, and here you will find yourself on this page to swap an asset to another asset. So here the most important thing is to choose assets here. So click on to choose asset and then here choose the asset or the cryptocurrency of the blockchain where you are trading on. Let's say for example BNB. Now click on BNB and then choose from. So any cryptocurrency that you have in your wallet, just choose where you want to trade it. Okay, let's say for example you choose Ethereum because you have a lot of Ethereum in your wallet to cover the gas fees, which are usually not that big of fees. It's like maybe 5% or 10%. It's nothing crazy. So choose the cryptocurrency in from, and that's it. Enter your amount, and you'll be good. I advise you not to swap a lot of money because sometimes cryptocurrencies are unstable, and this is, by the way, not a financial advice, just for you guys to understand what the problem is and how to fix it. So yeah, basically that's it. You just need to cover the gas fees or the transaction fees. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.